Hey guys, Gitago here. Alright, so today we're gonna go over the tutorial for Isle of Flightless Birds by 21 Pilots. I started it in another video a while back, and today we're gonna finish it. Alright, so if you check out the description below, there is a link to a Google Drive page, and it has a free chord and tab sheet. It's combined. There's tab in the beginning just for the intro, and the rest is chords, because you just need to know the chords. I'll show you how to do the rhythm, but I prefer chord sheets over tab sheets when you're dealing with mostly strumming chords. Alright, so if you open up that link and check it out and get ready, we'll get started. Alright, so as I went over the intro in the other video, I guess we'll just brush over it a little bit, or you can read it and play along with me as we go over it slowly. So it's basically an E minor chord that you're holding, and you start out. You walk the first string from the second to 0, the open string, and then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, walk it down to the 2nd fret. So strum the D chord, go to a G chord, so it's to a D chord, to a C, to a B major chord, and then it's E major again, E minor, sorry, D major, G, D, C, B major, that's the intro. You can check out the other video, but it might be easier to read the tablature and try to play along with it slowly. So let's go ahead and go to the verse. All right, so the chords, basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chords in this song. And so the chords for the verse, where the chord progression for the verse is E minor to A minor to G to B. And just repeat this all through each verse, except for verse 3. Alright, so that's the verse. And then the chorus is C to D, E minor to G to D, C again, starts over, D, E minor, G. So the chorus, you know, like it would be, I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no fear, and the ground taunts my wings, plummet as I sing, I plummet as I sing. Okay, so that's essentially the rhythm throughout the song. Now what I'm doing there, at the end of the chorus when I go sing, okay, so what I'm doing there is I'm plucking the 3rd string on the E minor chord. So it's, and then I just strum the chord twice, and then I go to the A minor chord, and I pluck the 4th string with my thumb, and then I go, what chord is next? G, and I pluck the 4th string again to the B, still the 4th string I pluck before I strum the chord. So it's pluck, strum, pluck, strum, So that's basically it. Now the strumming for the chorus is, so it's like almost like a pluck, but I'm not plucking one string. So I'm basically kind of hitting maybe like the 3rd and 4th string, and if I happen, well, yeah, pretty much the 3rd, 4th string, maybe the 2nd too. There's only 4 strings on the uke, so after I do that, so it's like a, and then I strum, so it's strum, up, down, up, and I do it again, so it's. So like at the end of the first verse, it's they fly around, we are walking and mold our emotions just to please him. I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no hope, no fear. So that's the rhythm for the chorus. That's basically pretty much the entire song. So I guess what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll play the song, and we'll start from the intro and just play along. So what you can do is you can pause the video if you need to during any parts of the song, so you can practice them and then play along with me. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. Alright, so it starts off. Story that gives the demons and angels purpose. They fly around while we are walking and mold our emotions just to please them. I am cold, can you hear? I will fly with no fear. On the ground, toss my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet as I sing. My favorite part. All we are is an isle of flightless birds. We find our worth in giving birth and stuff. We're lining our homes against running roads and where they're going and stuff. We pick song to sing, remind us of things that nobody cares about. And honestly, we're probably more suicidal than ever now. If you decide to live by what you think's wrong and what's right, believe me, you'll begin to wish you were sleeping, you'll weep and you'll creep in your head and you'll cry. But if we wake up every morning, decide what we believe, we can take apart our very heart and the light will set us free. Can you hear? I will fly with no fear. On the ground, toss my wings, plummet as I sing, plummet as I am cold. as I sing. A plummeting desert, frustrating and so degrading. It's time we're wasting, it's time will fly by, and the sky will cry, its light is fading, and he is waiting. Oh, so patiently will we repeat the same routine as we will please comfortability. And please think about why you can't sleep in the evening, and please don't be afraid of what your soul is really thinking. Your soul is good and evil, your soul is both sides. It's time you pick your battle, and I promise you this is mine. Alright, so yeah, I guess one part I forgot to tell you about was the I mean, you don't have to do it that way, but during the rapping part in the third verse, well, where the chords are the same as the chorus, you know, I do that. How frustrating and so degrading. Got the rhythm all wrong, but yeah, you know, how frustrating and so degrading. This time we're wasting, this time will fly by, and the sky will cry as light is fading. And so, you know, that part where it's just... Alright, so, yeah. Okay, alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, if you like this video, click like, show it. And, above all, subscribe. Share my videos. You know, get these out there. You want to, you know, show somebody, you know, hey, I found this chord sheet, you know, and a video tutorial for this song. You know, it's really awesome by 21 Pilots. They're really cool, you know, whatever. So share it. Follow me on Twitter, Guitigro. Also, you know, check out 21 Pilots page. Check out their website. You know, they're a really cool band. They're my favorite. And yeah, I don't know. They're pretty cool. I really like who they are. They're awesome guys. And but yeah, so join the Skeleton Clique too. That's pretty cool. Check out that Twitter page. And so yeah, if you like this video, like my other videos, check them out. Let me know what other songs you want me to do a tutorial of. Check in the comment thread. Also, let me know on Twitter. Tweet me, and I'll, you know, I still have some comments for request comments. You know, telling me that they want me to do a video. So I'm gonna try to be doing those, and so I'm gonna try to do as many as I can, and with the time I'm allotted with. I work a lot, and so I'd really love this to be my full-time, you know, job. Just me doing this, and well, music in general. I also teach. I teach guitar and ukulele, and I'd like to start teaching piano too. I teach myself these instruments, except for piano. That was my first instrument, but yeah, I'll give my life story on another video. But if you like this video, click like, share, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see, especially by 21 Pilots. You know, there are other songs out there, of course, and there are also other bands that I really love, and I want to do songs. I want to do cover songs of covers of their songs, and so, but yeah. All right, so check it out. You can save that chord sheet. It's yours, and it's free. This is what I like to do. In my spare time, I like to make chord sheets and tabs once in a while, and I hope you found the tab and chord sheet helpful. And if you have any questions, maybe I missed something in the tutorial, and I'll post a little video, you know, correcting anything I may have wrong or any information that I may have omitted. And so yeah. Alright, I think this video is long enough. And I hope you have learned the song well. And I hope that it is to your satisfaction. Alright, so, alright, well, that's pretty much all I got right now. So, see you next time. Tiger out.